Hi, my friends. Welcome to Taste Brilliance. Today, I'm showing you how to make quick, super easy, and delicious keto blueberry jam and blueberry cobbler. We can make fresh keto blueberry jam in 90 seconds and 40 seconds more to make the cobbler crumb topping. Isn't that good? Now, let's start. First, take a medium-sized mug. Add blueberries. You can use frozen or fresh ones. Today, I use the frozen ones. Then, add sugar substitute, xanthan gum, lemon juice, salt, mix and stir, and microwave the blueberry mixture for 1 minute. Please be noted that microwave time might be different depending on the power of the microwave. Mine is 900 watts. After 1 minute microwaving, stir again and microwave for more 30 seconds. Then, the blueberry jam is done. You can mash the blueberries to the texture you like. Please keep in mind that it will continue to thicken up after it has cooled down for a minute. Next, let's use the blueberry jam to make keto blueberry cobbler. Just more 40 seconds. In a separate mug, add melted butter or coconut oil, sugar substitute, coconut flour, almond flour. Stir and microwave for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds microwaving, stir and microwave for more 20 seconds. Stir again the crumbs, and you will find that the bottom has browned. Now the topping is done. Next, mix up the crumbs and sprinkle them over the blueberry jam we cooked. The keto blueberry cobbler is finished. You can choose to microwave for 45 seconds to get a crispy topping. Enjoy! Thank you for your watching. If you like this video, please make sure to click like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.